We'll guide you through how to talk to Claude, the AI assistant, using the most current methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser on your desktop and go to the Claude.ai website. Once the page loads, you'll see a login button at the top right corner. Click on it and sign in with your account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to register by clicking on the Sign Up button and providing the necessary details like your email and a secure password. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here, you'll find a chat box at the bottom of the page where you can type your questions or commands for Claude. Simply click in the chat box, type your message, and press Enter. Claude will respond instantly with helpful information or perform the tasks you request. Make sure to be clear and specific in your queries to get the best responses. If you need to refine your question or ask for more details, just type a follow-up message in the chat. You can also explore different settings and features by clicking on the menu options available on the dashboard. This will allow you to customize your interaction with Claude according to your preferences. Remember, Claude is designed to assist you with various tasks, so don't hesitate to ask about anything you need help with, whether it's scheduling, research, or general inquiries. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.